Come be saved, come believe, come receive the goodness of God's grace. God's grace is amazing, the lifeline of my soul. God's grace is faithful, Jesus conquered all. By grace He died so I may live, by grace I am saved. Broken, heaven laden, come your help, please come to in this field. Come be blessed.